Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, everybody. I am Zahur Ahmed Jamali. This is the morning camp, 30 past 9 at Sarari. I would like to thank my Allah for the bless that He has conferred on me, and I'm also thankful to my viewers for the love and respect that they are showing towards me. And you know that at the beginning of my video, I would like to request my viewers subscribe my channel, share my videos, put your comments below into the descriptions, and click the button of notification so that my videos reach you on the time. And please like my videos so that I can bring more and more things to you. That's your love. That's your love. That's your love inspiring me that I am appearing again and again and again in front of my viewers. So you know that at the beginning of my topic, I would like to share something with my viewers. Is that I'm going to introduce something about the PCSS exams also and SST exams also. So those who they are interested in appearing these type of exams, they can also consult me, they can contact me. And one thing is that I am not demand anything from the side of the learners, either money or any material thing. So I only demand their interest and their attention towards my videos and towards learning something. I'm not demanding any type of anything. So let's come on the topic today. I have taken the topic of the prepositions. There are 4 prepositions that are causing problems in the mind of the students besides and for, since. These are 4 prepositions that are causing troubles, causing difficulties for the learners who they are appearing in different type of exams. So I thought today that I should make the concept of my learners clear about these 4 prepositions. These are the words can be used into different parts of speech. They are being used into different parts of speech. But today that I'm going to talk on these words. I'm talking on these words as a preposition. What the purpose behind that they are creating troubles at the time when they are used as a prepositions. You know, so for that reason you know that these words carry different meanings. First come to the beside. That what meaning of beside? Beside means next to. Next to, sorry. Next to means कोई चीज साथ में होना, किसी चीज का आपके करीब होना, कोई चीज आपके पास होना, पास में होना. जैसे कि many people sit beside you at the party. Many people sat beside you at the party were my friends. पार्टी में काफी सारे लोग जो आपके साथ बैठे थे, पार्टी में काफी सारे लोग जो आपके साथ बैठे थे, वो सारे उनमें से जो थे they were my friends. All the people who they were sat together with you, sat beside you, जो लोग आपके साथ बैठे थे, आपके आगे पीछे बैठे थे, वो सारे मेरे दोस्त थे. One thing. And second thing that I would like to talk here, you know that I always love to sit beside educated people at any ceremony. मेरी हमेशा कोशिश होती है कि तालीम याफ्ता लोगों के साथ बैठूं. कोई भी अगर सेरेमनी होती है, इनविटेशन होती है, पार्टी होती है, तो उसमें मैं क्या करता हूं, मैं कोशिश करके एजुकेटेड बंदों के साथ बैठता हूं. And many more examples that I can give here to make things clear. And another example, when I put gallons at your shelf, manage your shelf, I found many, I found, comma, I found many good books lying, laying, laying beside, sorry, many books of grammar, many books, good books of grammar were lying, were laying beside मैथमेटिक्स बुक्स। जब मेरी नजर आपके शेल्फ पे पड़ी, आपकी अलमारी पे पड़ी, आपके जो खाना था जिसमें चीजें पड़ी हुई थी, आपके किताब पड़े हुए थे, जब मेरी नजर उन पे पड़ी तो आपके मैथमेटिक्स के बुक्स के साथ काफी सारे ग्रामर के बुक्स भी साथ में ही पड़े थे, साथ में नेक्स्ट टू but the person standing beside you, the person, another example, the boy stands beside you is my brother। जो बंदा आपके करीब में खड़ा है, आपके साथ खड़ा है, वो मेरा भाई है। So many more examples we can give। Whenever you make your concept clear to talk about anything, you do not have any difficulty in explaining your views। So first of all, I suggest my viewers and learners, make your concept clear, make your understanding clear towards things। If you make that clear, then you can do a lot। Now come to the second one। That's also a preposition। For example, besides means in addition to के साथ साथ होना, के उससे प्लस होना। For example, I teach English besides chemistry। मैं केमिस्ट्री के साथ साथ इंग्लिश भी पढ़ाता हूं। मैं केमिस्ट्री के साथ साथ इंग्लिश भी पढ़ाता हूं। Like that you can see, like that you can see that I know English as well as chemistry। For example, she is good at English besides social study, वो सोशल स्टडी के साथ साथ, उससे साथ साथ ये इंग्लिश में भी अच्छी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई फ्रेंड teach at private centers besides government schools. मेरा दोस्त जो है गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के साथ साथ प्राइवेट सेंटर्स में भी पढ़ाता है. तो इन एडिशन टू वन मीनिंग एंड सेकंड मीनिंग इट हैज, व्हाट इज द सेकंड मीनिंग? सेकंड मीनिंग मीन्स, second meaning of besides is except for. Second meaning of beside is except for. Second meaning of besides is except for. Except for. For example, I love to eat everything besides rice. मैं चावल के बगैर, चावल के अलावा, मैं चावल के अलावा हर चीज खाना पसंद करता हूं, सिर्फ चावल नहीं खा सकता. आप जानते हो कि कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि वो कुछ चीजें नहीं खाते, उनसे दे आर प्रोहिबिटेड to eat certain things, certain foods. For example, another example I would like to give here. For example, she can cook everything besides बीफ. उसको हर चीज पकाना आती है बीफ के अलावा, उसको बड़े गोश्त के अलावा हर चीज पकाना आती है. इसको नहीं पका सकती, ये काम ये नहीं कर सकती, और सारा काम कर सकती है. सो लाइक दैट. अनदर एग्जांपल, आई कैन डू every problem besides mathematics. मैं मैथमेटिक्स के अलावा सारे प्रॉब्लम्स कर सकता हूं. मैं मैथमेटिक्स के अलावा सारे प्रॉब्लम्स कर सकता हूं. Like that, now I would like to end my video, and after the teaching of these 2 words, you know that I'm going to somewhere to the party, so you know that what is the meaning of for? For can be used whenever we are talking about the start point of an activity. Whenever we are talking about the start point of an activity or a point and the time, whenever we are talking about the start point of an action, when we talk about the start point of action, or when we say when action starts, whenever we talk about the start of the action, we make the use of since. We make the use of since. When we talk about the start point of an action, when we show the point in action, then we make the use of since. For example, it has been causing pain since my childhood. ये जो दर्द है मैं बचपन से फेस कर रहा हूं, बचपन से, जब से मैं बच्चा था तब से ये चलता आ रहा है. When we talk about the start point of action, childhood, my start points since my childhood, she has been struggling since 1996. वो 1996 से कोशिश कर रही है. It has been raining since early in the morning. वो मॉर्निंग से बरसात पड़ रही है. तो इन चीजों के लिए हम सिंस को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. फॉर हम करते हैं टू शो द लेंथ ऑफ टाइम. टू शो द लेंथ ऑफ टाइम वी मेक द यूज ऑफ फॉर. Whenever we show the length of time, we make the use of for. When we make the use of for, when we show the duration of time, that how long something lasts. When we talk about how long something lasts, we make the use of for. We make the use of for to show the duration, to show the length of time. Length of time of an action. के जो हमारा एक्शन है वो कितनी देर रहा, कब कितनी देर उसका ड्यूरेशन रहा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, it has been raining for 2 hours. Just a moment. Just 1 minute. For 2 hours. कि हमारा जो एक्शन था वो 2 घंटे तक जारी रहा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, she has been proposing me for 5 years. वो 5 सालों से मुझे प्रपोज कर रही है. तो like that we can make the use of these propositions. I hope that you may have understood the things well, and I would end my video here. I would like to say thanks to my viewers once again, and due to the shortage of the time that I have a lot of works to do right now, so I'm going to attend some party somewhere. So you know that I'm trying to make the things clear. If any person has a problem with the teaching what I teach, then they can share, they can contact, and they can make more and more understanding about the topics that I'm teaching. So I hope that my way of teaching is quite useful to you, and you can get more and more information from me. So I thank you once again, and I will say goodbye to you. I hope.